Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by disconnecting the battery negative terminal and waiting a minute so airbags and electronics reset. Once done, remove the glove box liner and any small trim panels near the steering column using a trim pry. This exposes screws and clips. Next, take out visible screws, usually 8 mm or 10 mm, around the instrument cluster bezel. Work methodically left to right so you don't miss hidden fasteners. Make sure to keep screws organized in a labeled tray so reassembly is straightforward. Once screws are out, pull the instrument cluster forward slowly until you can reach the rear connectors. You will hear small tabs click. Press the release tabs and unclip connectors by pressing the latch and pulling the plug straight back. Be careful with fragile plastic retainers and the speedometer cable if present. Support the cluster with one hand while detaching the last connector. Do not yank. Then place the cluster face down on a soft towel to avoid scratches, and inspect connectors for dirt or bent pins before continuing. Now remove the remaining dash mounting bolts and any support brackets holding the panel. Once loose, lift the dash section carefully, watching for HVAC control cables, heater tube clips, and speaker wires. Unclip these gently. If a clip resists, inspect for hidden screws, don't force. When reinstalling, reconnect connectors in reverse order and test instrument illumination, gauge movement, and indicators before tightening final screws. If gauges behave oddly, recheck connector seating and ground wires. Cleaning contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.